Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add a footer and a header in your Microsoft Word document online. So if you would like to add a footer, so for example, your name at the top of every page, or if you want to add some page numbers at the bottom, then let me show you how to do this on your document. So here we'll be using the Microsoft Word Office 365, which is online. So I'll go ahead and open up a browser. I'll go ahead and log on to my Outlook account. In this Outlook account, I have access to Microsoft Word, so I'll go ahead and open that. And now I'll go ahead and open up document, which is about 3 pages long. So this is a document which is 3 pages long. Now, if I want to add a header or a footer to this document, I can go ahead and click on Insert from the top. From here, I'll go ahead and click on Header and Footer. So it looks like this. Go ahead and click on that. And now here at the top, you can add your headers. So your headers divide into 3 sections. So the left, the middle, or the right hand side. If you just double click on the bottom bit of the document, you can add your footer as well. And as you can see, you've got a header at the top, and if you scroll down, you've got the footer at the bottom. So now if we do print preview, you can see your header and you can see your footer. So there you go guys, that is how to add a footer and a header to your Microsoft document online. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.